Number 1.
Welcome to our store. Let's take a look at our wide variety of acrylic paints. Classic, metallic, iridescent, fabric, craft, outdoor, and pouring acrylic paint. A set of 24, a set of 14, and a set of 12. Please note that the set of 60, set of 24, and set of 12 are sold as 22 milliliter tubes. And the set of 14 comes as 120 milliliter tubes. All the tubes are organized in accordance with the color palette and stacked in plastic boxes that can be used for storage in the future. All of the colors in these sets are made by experienced artists, which will allow you to use the suggested palettes for all artistic needs, from amateur art to professional paintings. Now you can see the colors of these sets on the screen, one by one: 12, 14, 24, 60. The 60 color set also includes 5 metallic colors. By purchasing our acrylics, you get a premium water-based paint. All of our paints are tested for toxicity and are completely harmless, confirmed by the AP certificate. Also note that our acrylics mix well and can be used to create new colors and shades.
Number 2. Number 3.
Special acrylic paint adheres perfectly to almost any smooth surface and is excellent for decor, design, and DIY projects. You can use this paint to create beautiful paintings not only on canvas, but also on unconventional surfaces like flower pots and wooden boards. Create beautiful stone paintings or make decorative items for your home with these vibrant paints. Arteza offers all the paints come in 60 milliliter bottles with a snap top. Simply squeeze the bottle to dispense the right amount of paint every time. The secure snap-on cap keeps your craft acrylic paints from drying out or leaking when you aren't using them. The box the paints are stored in is made of recyclable, sturdy cardboard. Purchase Arteza Craft Acrylics, you will receive a premium water-based paint. All of our paints are tested for toxicity to make bright, eye-catching artwork. Craft Acrylic is a soft body paint that mixes well. This allows you to create your own unique colors and shades. These versatile paints adhere perfectly to any smooth surface because of their composition. They can be used on projects. Thank you for watching. We hope you have fun shopping.